So a bit of a short story on this. I recently, I recorded my process in building this PC right here, but the video got, I lost the whole video. So yeah, I can't really find the video anymore. But I was repairing this PC, and this is the most budget build ever. It's literally free. I got all of these components for free. A company was throwing out all their old PCs, so I asked them if I could get some, and they gave me their old PCs. They gave me like five of it. So the PCs, of course, some of it wasn't working, and I just tried and kept on trying and changing all the parts together and make Frankensteining this PC, and in the end, it works for literally $0. So this is a $0 build. So I'll just show you the specs. It's not bad as well for a $0 build. So this PC, it took me like 3 months actually to finish building this, to like troubleshoot. I think it could have taken like way shorter amounts of time, but I guess that's how it is sometimes. Yeah, it's an i7 Gen 2. Still not bad for a freaking $0 build. Just for this whole thing here, this whole thing with the power supply, $0. Talk about steel, man. So yeah, sorry, I had the video of me putting together everything, but I seem to have lost the video, so it'll just be this. So the thing is, I'm publishing this video to say that anyone can build a PC. You don't, even if you don't have any money, you just have to look for the opportunities and find and be good with your mouth, I guess. Just find some way to, don't be afraid to ask when you see like people throwing out their PCs, or you could just straight up go to a company and ask if they have any PCs they want to throw out and if they could give it to you. Yeah, just don't be afraid to ask. The worst they could say is no. Yep, that's about it.